Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. I would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, that is 22nd September. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. If we analyze the overall open interest data for 23rd September weekly expiry series, you will see that highest amount of open interest in calls have is currently at 17,600 call strike and 17,700 call strike. In option strikes that are nearer to the current market price, that is the at the money options which have highest amount of open interest data in calls. And if we see the puts having at the money puts having highest amount of open interest data, you will see that 17,500 put strike and 17,400 put strike. So for this weekly series, we are trading in a range of 17,700 to the upside and 17,400 to the downside. And if we see what happened intraday today, you will see that intraday highest amount of open interest addition happened in puts. Highest amount of open interest addition happened at 17,400 put strike. And if you see in the money puts like 17,600 put strike, 17,650, 17,700 put strike and 17,800 put strike, they saw their open interest reduce. So it tells us that put option buyers, they book their profits, and put option writers, they book their losses. Uh, those put writers, those put buyers who were late in buying the puts. As today market has made a recovery from yesterday's fall, so the late put buyers, they would have booked their losses. And since market saw a recovery, we saw highest amount of open interest being written in puts. So 17,400 is likely to act as a strong support. If I analyze the index on multiple time frames, you will see on the monthly time frame we are under control of buyers. On the weekly time frame, again we are now under control of buyers above this week's open, which is at 17,443 levels. So if we see the 60-minute time frame, so today above 17,443 levels, we had a situation of full time frame continuity, that is on all the time frames, on the monthly time frame, on the weekly time frame, as well as on the daily time frame. Market was under control of buyers. So here you will see that in terms of price structure, we have made a lower low and a lower high, but based on the put option writing that we witnessed today, so we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios tomorrow. So there is a possibility that tomorrow we could form an inside day, or we can potentially trade above today's highs, and it could be a start of a potential uptrend. So we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios. So based on that price structure, we get the following scenario: above 17,562, we can trade towards 17,646 levels and potentially 17,732 levels. And below 17,436 levels, we can trade towards 17,368, 17,326 level and potentially 17,282 level. And broadly speaking, we have a neutral price range tomorrow for 17,562 to 17,436, in which one can refrain from making any trades on the index. The overall price structure, here you will see that on the weekly time frame we are forming an inside week so far. So chances are very less that this week we would be able to break last week's lows, that is 17,269 levels. So or we'll be able to break 17,792, which is last week's highs. So this week is likely to be a doji week, in which market would be remaining under control of both the buyers and the sellers with choppy action. That is what I'm anticipating for this week. And finally, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 17,562, we can trade towards 17,646 level, and below 17,436 level we can trade towards 17,326 levels. And broadly speaking, we are in the range of 17,700 to the upside and 17,400 to the downside. And the max pain for tomorrow is 17,500. For this weekly series, the max pain is 17,500. So if market expires on 23rd September at 17,500, in that scenario, call and put option writers, they would be making profits. And I like to remind you that I would be sharing a long short bias stock watch list before 10 p.m. So do check that out, and I would be sharing that on Twitter. And finally, I like to thank you all for watching this video. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.